Welcome back guys to another video. Right here I have some turkey neck. Okay, and I'm bringing to you another new recipe. So today we will be jerking the turkey neck. I already seasoned it ahead of time. So I'm going to boil it down in the seasoning for a little bit before I apply the jerk seasoning and the green seasoning to it. So follow along guys. Here I'm applying a little bit of olive oil to my pot, and that is about 1 tablespoon. Here I'm adding onion, that is half of 1 onion. To this I'm going to add the turkey neck. To this seasoning I'm going to add about a cup of water, and then I'm going to pour it in the pot. Here I will be adding all these spices. I have pimento, thyme, bay leaf, and spice pepper. Now I will cover my pot and I will allow this to be tender. Alright, see you in a second guys. Okay guys, let's see the turkey neck. Alright, now that the turkey neck has come down to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn off my stove. And then I'm going to re-season it with the jerk seasoning and my green seasoning. Okay? See, so it partially cooked as you see the meat lifting from the bone. That's what you want. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning. Now I'm going to be adding the Blue Mountain jamaicanjerk seasoning. I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons. And I'm using some Waker's Wood jerk marinade. And I'm using about a tablespoon jerk sauce. Okay, I'm gonna mix it in. Okay, so now that I've finished seasoning the turkey neck, I'm going to put it in my baking foil pan. Okay, so preheat your oven to 422 degrees, and this is gonna go in the oven. Okay guys, now it's time to take the turkey neck from the oven. Look at that guys. So I'm gonna plate up and come back. here you have it, guys. The most delicious, finger-licking, mouth-watering jerk turkey neck. Guys, it is so delicious. It tastes good. Try it out, guys. Try out the recipe. You can have it with whatever you like. Festival, roast breadfruit, fried dumpling, whatever you want to have it with. Bami. Try it out, guys. Like up the video, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you will be alerted every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Thank you again, guys. Take care, walk good, be good, and good will always follow you. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye, guys.